Want to stay ahead in 2025? In the next 9 minutes, I'll walk you through 6 marketing trends that will shape the year and how to use them. Let's dive in. First, AI-powered hyper-personalization. In 2025, brands will tailor experiences not only by segment, but also for individuals in real time. Use first-party data to personalize offers, product recommendations, and email content. But be careful. Transparency and consent are everything. Start small. Test personalized subject lines, then scale to dynamic landing pages. Quick tip: personalized subject lines can lift open rates by double digits. Always A/B test. Second, generative video ads. Creative teams can now produce dozens of ad variations in hours, iterating faster than ever. Think short, native formats and rapid A/B testing. Use generative tools to create concepts, then humanize the winners with real talent or UGC. Pro move: pair AI drafts with human edits to keep authenticity high. Third, privacy-first targeting. Cookieless measurement and cohort-based targeting will be mainstream. Focus on building trust with clear consent flows and meaningful value exchanges. Newsletters, exclusive content, loyalty perks. Invest in contextual advertising where appropriate. Tip: first-party emails and hashed identifiers are your immediate advantage. Fourth, immersive commerce. AR try-ons and VR showrooms reduce friction and returns. Start with mobile AR experiences for product visualization, then experiment with virtual events and stoppable live streams. The goal: shorten the path from discovery to purchase with immersive demos. Quick tip: even simple AR previews can boost conversion for furniture and fashion. Fifth, creator-driven ecosystems. Creators are no longer just amplifiers. They're co-builders of product, community, and trust. Develop long-term partnerships, co-create products or limited drops, and enable creators with affiliate and merch tools. Authenticity beats one-off sponsorships. Pro insight: micro-creator networks often drive better ROI than single mega deals. Tasteful and unobtrusive over a soft background. Sixth, sustainable and ethical marketing. Consumers expect transparency on sourcing, labor, and environmental impact. Communicate verified claims, avoid greenwashing, and make sustainability a product of your roadmap, not just messaging. Small, verifiable steps build long-term loyalty. There you have it, 6 trends to prioritize in 2025. Which one will you try first? Comment below, and if you want weekly marketing breakdowns, subscribe and hit the bell. Links and resources are in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next week.